Sückr CNC Metalworking has been active on the market for 20 years. Key positions are occupied by employees with 30 years of experience. The machinery used includes 4 hardened CNC milling centers, which can operate in both horizontal and vertical directions. The extensive experience of the operators guarantees professionally machined, high-accuracy products. The company also offers turn-in on the professional Hyundai CNC lathe. Here is a selection of just some of our satisfied customers: Sückr, Emerson, Juli Motorenwerk, Bank & Olufsen or Novo Pignone. Our quality control system also helps with the high quality and accuracy of our products. Digital measuring devices and computers are used for quality control. The manufacturing facility is located in Vejprty, 300 meters from the German border, making it possible to deliver finished products wherever in Germany or Europe within 24 hours.